Welcome children. In this video, let's see about symbols of elements. What is a symbol? Symbol is a representation of gestures, objects, signals and words. They help to understand world. Symbols provide clues to recognizable meaning that are shared by the society. Some symbols are functional. Some are a motion of gesture used to express or convey an idea, command, or decision. Symbols are often found in visual sources from the past where they are used to identify and signify huge ideas. John Dalton, although a school teacher, is best known for his pioneering theory of atomism. He also proposed his model of an atom. His symbols were not the ones we use today, because circles containing distinct symbols were not easy to remember. Hence, Berzelius proposed chemical symbols based on Latin names of the elements. He devised a system using letters of alphabets rather than signs. The one we are using now is a modified version of Berzelius. Now we'll see the rules to follow while naming the elements. The symbols of the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter of their English name. For example, hydrogen, H. If the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in capital letter. The symbols of the most common 14 elements consist of one letter. Some of them are hydrogen, H, iodine, I, carbon, C, phosphorus, P, oxygen, O, sulfur, S. For elements having two-letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital followed by small letter. For osmium, capital O, small s. For aluminium, capital A, small l. If the first two letters of names of elements are the same, then the symbol consists of first letter and second or third letter of English name that they do not have in common. 11 elements have names and symbols beginning with the letter C. One of these, carbon, has a one-letter symbol C. The other 10 have two-letter symbols. They are copernicium, Cn, calcium, Ca, chlorine, Cl, chromium, Cr, cobalt, Co, curium, Cm, cerium, Ce, cadmium, Cd, cesium, Cs, copper, Cu. For strontium, Sr, stannum, Sn. Tin is the common name for the Latin word stannum, which means the element which produces the creaking sound. They didn't keep Ti for tin because titanium got Ti. Yes, their names themselves are interesting. Three-letter temporary symbol may be assigned to a newly synthesized element. Ununectium, UUO. Here are some examples for the newest elements which have temporary three-lettered symbols. This is carried out by IUPAC, Recommendations of Inorganic Chemistry Division. IUPAC stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. There are 11 elements. Here are some. Kalium. The common name is potassium. K. Copper is the common name for cuprum. So Cu. Natrium is the Latin name for sodium. So Na. Hydrargyrum, mercury, Hg. Aurum, gold, Au. Stannum, Sn for tin. Argentum, Ag for silver. Some elements are named using the location or name of a country. Europium is named after Europe. Gallium is a location in France. Polonium is named after Poland. Thulium, Thule, is a place in Iceland or Greenland. Some elements named after the celestial bodies or planets. Uranium, named after Uranus. Neptunium, named after Neptune. Plutonium, named after Pluto. Some elements named after the mythological characters. Tantalum is named after Tantalus. Tantalus is the king of Lydia. Niobium, Niobe, the daughter of Tantalus. So to remember Niobe, Niobium is named. Thorium, god of thunder, Thor, is a Greek god. So to remember god of thunder, they named thorium. Some of the elements are named after famous scientists. Some of the elements are named after the famous scientists, such as Einsteinium, to honor Einstein. Mendelevium, to honor Mendeleev. He proposed the modern periodic table. Bohrium is named after Niels Bohr, who proposed the atomic structure. Curium is named after Marie Pierre Curie, the pioneer in the study of radioactivity. Rutherfordium, to honor Rutherford, he proposed the atomic model. Nobelium, to honor Alfred Nobel, is best known for his invention dynamite and the Nobel Prize. Some elements are named using color. Indium represents purple color, radium red, aurum gold, chlorine yellowish green. What is atomicity? The number of atoms in a given molecule is atomicity. For example, oxygen, O2 is the molecular formula for oxygen, has an atomicity of 2. So the number of atoms in oxygen molecule is 2. So the atomicity is 2. Ozone, O3 is the molecular formula which represents 3 atoms in ozone. The atomicity of ozone is 3. C6H6 is the molecular formula for benzene, which has 6 plus 6, 12 atoms. So the atomicity of benzene is 12. Based on the number of atoms present in one molecule of element, compound or a substance, atomicity is divided into monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic and polyatomic substances. Here are the examples for these types. Monoatomic, sodium and chlorine ion. Diatomic, oxygen, nitrogen oxide. Triatomic, ozone, nitrogen oxide. Polyatomic, ammonia, which contains 1 atom of nitrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen. So, 4 atoms are present in that compound, ammonia. So, that is polyatomic. Some important elements are present in the common substances. In water, 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. The composition of air includes 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and 1% of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, argon, krypton, xenon, neon, etc. The elemental composition of human body shows 62% of the major portion consists of 6 chemical elements. They are oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium and phosphorus. 16%, the least portion, occupies another 5 elements. They are potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine and magnesium. So, these 11 important elements make the human body mass. Some essential elements present in soil are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, boron, zinc, copper, magnesium, iron, chloride and molybdenum. Here is the assignment part. The first 20 elements is given in this slide based on the increasing atomicity. They are given in order, so you have to by heart in the same order. This slide shows examples for the atomicity. Monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic elements to understand. Science rocks, which indicates elements, symbols for the spelling. You write your name for the spelling, find elements using periodic table. Thanks for watching.